Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dropbox affiliate program for file sharing users. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the Dropbox affiliate program, first, ensure you have a Dropbox account. If you don't have one, sign up at www.dropbox.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Dropbox affiliate program webpage. This can usually be found in the footer of the home page or in the Help Center. Click on the link that directs you to the affiliate program. Here, you will find detailed information about the program and its benefits. Scroll down to locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the application process. You will be prompted to fill out a form with your personal information. Provide accurate details including your name, email, and any required payment information. Next, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully before checking the agreement box. Once you submit your application, await approval from Dropbox. This process may take a few days, so be patient. Once approved, you'll receive a confirmation email. Now, log back into your Dropbox account. Access the affiliate dashboard provided in your confirmation email. Here, you'll find your unique affiliate link. This link is what you will share with others to earn commissions. To promote Dropbox, use appropriate marketing strategies. Share your affiliate link on social media, blogs, or websites. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard's analytics. Monitor clicks, signups, and earnings consistently. That's all there is to activating your Dropbox affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.